Welcome to Canary Tree Services NC, your trusted partner for expert tree care throughout all of Dallas, Texas. With 25 years of experience, we're proud to offer top-notch residential and commercial tree services. Our expertise covers all aspects of tree care, including tree services, tree removal, tree trimming, storm damage tree cleanup, stump grinder. Our team is committed to delivering high-quality services and ensuring customer satisfaction. Contact us today at 214-914-7904 or visit our website at canarytreeservicesnc.com to learn more about our services. Trust the experts at Canary Tree Services ANC